Good day everyone. Today our Group A, will be presenting on developing an international market entry strategy for a Malaysian product. The product we have chosen is Perodua Atiwa and the target market is Australia. Our group consists of 5 members, Amtio Shesi, followed by Safiru Hidayat, Kun Kok Kang, Zuhairi, and Lee Wei Lun. Each of us will cover different sections of the presentation. So now, I will start with introduction. Perodua is Malaysia's largest automotive manufacturer and is widely recognized for producing affordable and fuel-efficient vehicles that cater to everyday consumers. The brand has established a strong presence in the Malaysian market by focusing on practicality, reliability, and low ownership costs. Our focus is on Perodua Atiwa, which is a compact SUV designed to meet the needs of urban drivers and small families. The Atiwa combines fuel efficiency, modern safety features, and practical design, making it suitable for daily commuting as well as occasional long-distance travel. The objective is to develop an international market entry strategy for introducing the Perodua Atiwa into the Australian market. This includes analyzing market potential, the global environment, suitable entry and marketing strategy to support successful expansion. Australia was selected as the target market because it shows strong potential for compact SUV and aligns well with Perodua Atiwa product positioning. SUVs are highly popular in Australia due to lifestyle preference, urban commuting needs, and family usage, which explain the strong demand for compact SUV. In addition, Australia has a high car ownership rate, indicating strong reliance on private vehicles for daily transportation. This creates consistent demand for passenger vehicles, especially those that are practical and fuel efficient. Australia is also an import-dependent automotive market as local car manufacturing has ceased. This opens opportunities for foreign automotive manufacturers, including Malaysian brands such as Perodua. Furthermore, the Malaysia-Australia Free Trade Agreement helps reduce trade barriers and support smoother market entry, making Australia a strategically suitable choice for Perodua international expansion.
Hello, Doctor and everyone. My name is Kun Kang. Today, I want to present about the 2.0 country selection and market frontier. For the first 2.1 is market opportunity. There are several market opportunities for product Ativa in Australia. Rising living costs have made consumers more price conscious, increased demand for affordable vehicles. At the same time, Australian consumers value fuel-efficient and safety features, which align well with the Ativa product characteristics. The second is 2.2 market trends. Beside the opportunity, products also face market threats. The Australian automotive market is highly competitive with many established global brands. In addition, strict safety and emission regulation increase complete costs. Low brand awareness may also affect consumer trust during the Indian entry stage. In this slide, we compare product Adiva with key competitors in the Australian compact SUV market. Toyota competes at a higher price level with strong reliability and brand reputation. Hyundai and Kia are positioned in the medium price range and are known for technology and warranty. MG competes mainly on low price. Compared to this brand, product Adiva is positioned in the low to medium price range and focus on value for money, making it suitable for price-conscious consumers. Product Adiva has strong growth potential in major Australian cities such as Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, and Perth. These cities have high population density and a strong demand for compact SUV. Urban consumers often prefer smaller and fuel-efficient vehicles for daily commuting, parking convenience, and occasional family use. Therefore, focusing on this city allows Product to target the most suitable consumer segment during the initial market entry stage. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, Doctor. My name is Li Wei Lun. Now, I'll continue the presentation with 3.0 Global Environment. In this part, we'll be examining the Australian automotive market. I'll be focusing on covering the social, cultural, and political factors. First, the social, cultural environment. As shown on the slide, SUVs preferred for lifestyle and family use, rising environmental awareness, and a multicultural consumer base. So in Australia, Australians overwhelmingly favor SUVs due to the lifestyle and family needs. This vehicle offers versatility, space, and practicality, which is perfect for families, outdoor adventures, and Australia's vast rural landscape. This strong preference makes it challenging for compact car manufacturers like Product, whose core models are smaller, urban-focused vehicles, better suited to denser populations. Next, the rising environmental awareness is another key trend in Australia. The consumer in Australia are increasingly seeking fuel-efficient and eco-friendly options, which align with the national net zero emission goal by 2050. Low-emission vehicle sales have surged. For example, hybrid already reached a high volume throughout the years, with electrified options such as plug-in hybrids, and EVs. They all gain significant market shares in this year. Next, Australia's multicultural consumer base adds diversity to preference. But the overarching demands remain for affordable, practical, and increasingly sustainable transportation. This creates opportunity for Product, which recently launched its first homegrown electric vehicle, the QVE, in late 2025, which is just if Product can adapt by offering efficient hybrid or EVs, perhaps it a more versatile format. It could appeal to this eco-conscious, well-driven market. Now, we move to the political stability. So, Australia is a mature parliamentary democracy with consistent rule of law, low corruption, and peaceful transition of power. This fosters a highly predictable environment, attractive to foreign investors and businesses in the automotive sector. The government supports open trade policies, which have reduced tariffs to negligible levels, facilitating easier imports while promoting free trade ideals. These pro-business stance lower the political risk for companies like Product, considering the market entry. And another notable policy is the new Vehicle Efficiency Standards, also known as the NVES, which is implemented from January 2025. It sets a strict CO2 emission target for new vehicles, and it also incentivizing suppliers to prioritize low-emission options like EVs and hybrid cars through credits and penalties. With this may increase cost of higher emission models, strongly encourage sustainable vehicles align well with rising consumer demands. In summary, Australia's social cultural trends strongly favor SUVs and eco-friendly choice, which amid a multicultural base. While its political stability, strong governance, and open trade policies create a low-risk, supportive landscape, So it create for Perodua, navigating SUV dominance and leveraging NVES incentive through greener models could unlock a significant potential in the Australia. Hello, Dr.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Safirul Hidayat bin Cemaeh and I will continue the presentation for the global environment. We will now look at the legal environment in Australia. Australia has a strict and well-regulated automotive legal system. All import vehicle must comply with the Australian design rule and meet and cap safety requirement, ensuring high safety and quality standard. In addition, strong consumer protection law require transparent pricing and proper warranty service. Although meeting the regulation may increase costs for manufacturer, the legal system is clear and predictable, which reduces long-term business risk. Moving on to the economic environment, Australia has a high GDP per capita, indicating strong purchasing power among consumers. Car ownership rates are also high, showing a strong resilience on private vehicles. However, rising living costs has encouraged consumers to look for more affordable and fuel-efficient vehicles. This situation creates an opportunity for Perodua Activa to enter the market as a cost-efficient and practical option for Australian consumer. That's all from me.
Hello doctor, my name is Zulhairi bin Hazar Azami. Okay, for this section, I will explain Perodua entry mode and global marketing strategy. First, in terms of entry mode, Perodua mainly use direct exporting when entering international market. This means Perodua produce the car in Malaysia and export complete built-up unit to selected countries such as Brunei, Singapore, Fiji, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, and Chile. By using this method, Perodua can reduce financial risk and avoid high investment costs since there is no need to build factories or production facilities overseas. Perodua also works with local distributors and dealers in these countries. These local partners handle sales, regulations, and after-sales service. This approach is suitable because Perodua has limited experience in international markets and still want to maintain strong performance in its domestic market. Next, for the global marketing strategy, Perodua focuses on value for money positioning. The brand emphasizes affordability, durability, and fuel efficiency, which appeals to price-sensitive consumers, especially in emerging markets. So, instead of competing in the luxury segment, Perodua target consumers who needs reliable and practical transportation. Models like Asia and Beza are particularly suitable for international market because of their compact size and cost efficiency. The products are mostly standardized with only small modification to meet local safety and regulatory requirements. This helps Perodua reduce production costs and benefit from economies of scale. In terms of promotion, most marketing activities are carried out by local dealers. The promotion focus on the functional benefits such as low fuel consumption and easy maintenance. Strong after-sales support is also emphasized to build customer trust, especially in markets where Perodua brands is still relatively new. Finally, looking at the strategic fit and future outlook, Perodua currently strategy matches in its risk-averse nature. Exporting allows the company to expand internationally while keeping the risk low. However, this also means brand awareness remains limited compared to global automakers with local production facilities. In the future, if demands and brand recognition increase, Perodua could consider deeper involvement such as setting up CKD assembly plants or forming strategic alliance. Existing partnership with Daihatsu or Toyota will provide a strong support for technology and sharing a future regional expansion. is all from me. Thank you.
To conclude, our analysis shows that Perodua Atiwa entry into the Australian market is realistic and achievable. While the market is competitive and highly regulated, Australia offers strong demand for compact SUV, particularly among consumers seeking value for money vehicles. Australia's stable economic and political environment, together with its reliance on imported vehicles, provide a supportive setting for Perodua international expansion. These conditions reduce entry risk and support long-term market sustainability. Based on our analysis, Perodua should adopt a direct exporting strategy to minimize financial risk during the initial entry stage. The company should prioritize major cities such as Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, and Perth, where demand and purchasing power are higher. Finally, Perodua Atiwa should be positioned as an affordable, safe, and fuel-efficient compact SUV to differentiate itself from competitors and establish a sustainable presence in the Australian market. That's all from our group. Thank you for listening.